Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you share a Canva design template? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to share a template that you made in Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, selling various templates to Canva, it is a popular way to sell products to your audience. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to share one of your design templates, first you're going to scroll through your projects and choose the product that you want to share a template of. So for example, here's an ebook right here. So I'm going to open this one up. Okay, once you open it up, it's going to bring you into the editing screen. Now, in order to share this as a template, here on the top right, you're going to click on share. Once you do that, you want to click here on see all. All right, once you do that, you want to click on this button here, template link. All right, once you do that, it's going to let you know anyone with a link can use this design as a template. The user will need to sign in order to be able to use it. They also let you know you're not going to be able to know who has used your template. But if you're okay with that, click right here, create template link. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and copy the template link. Okay, so now I can go ahead and add this into my product list as an ebook template for Canva. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to share a project template link from Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.